Hello everyone, good morning. So I have started the machine learning course. This machine learning course cover the deep learning, neural network, NLP, and machine learning. Everything it will be covered, and few research paper it will be cover deep learning, computer vision. Many case studies will be cover. I think 80 more than 80 to 90 case study will cover in this machine learning course. I think this is a free or YouTube because no everyone know that this is AI coder channel YouTube channel where I just create a content free for everyone. I will do a content free and just all the video everything I'm doing for the free just for the free course. So do subscribe, do like a lot on this YouTube channel. And now we know that machine learning is the boom at the boom. Chat GPT, AI assistants, data co-pilot. There's a few auto responsive auto generated responses we are receiving through these equipment. These are machine, so we can learn it. I will start from the sketch, and we know that we will go with the chat gpt also, llm model also. So this is a very structured way. So I have started first lesson. So how to successfully this complete this course. So basically this course everything enough for the machine learning, deep learning, for who want to become a data scientist, machine learning, this course is enough to learn it. So basically so first I want to you hard work. There is a more than 300 hour plus course in this. So if you course of content, if you learn it, you can. I need a more hard work. Learning strategy. I would say just follow this course. Step by step. I will create this course in a such a way that will cover each and everything. I think this course is enough. Like there is a strategy. There is a few strategy. I think while we studying anything, we follow depth first versus breadth first. What is the difference with both this strategy? Just take a topic and understand. And take a topic and understand and go more deeper. It is a. And what is the breadth first strategy? Take a topic and understand the topic and go for the next topic. We will go deeper. We will go deeper when we understand the things. Like once we understand the each concept, then we go the deeper. Let's suppose peeling an onion. I give you one example. Peeling an onion. If you know the peeling an onion, just we know first layer we will understand. First layer we can understand first layer we can use it, then we can go for second layer. Like and the course is more than a 3+ hours, and it will help you a lot, to be honest. So I would suggest you keep patience. I think this is the perfect thing. You have to keep it patience. If you keep it patience, you will learn it, right? And I think one thing, let's suppose there is a one topic, C1 topic, uh, A1 topic. You just learn it, but you are not able to understand. Then A6 topics, this is interrelated. A1 is a connected to A6. Maybe you learn more better A1 than you learn the A6. So keep patience. I think one of the key, patience, right? And I would say 10 hours is a week, 5 hours in a week. I think enough. So this is a basic strategy. You can learn it, right? You can follow it. There is a few strategy I will discuss, right? So I will be discuss each and every strategy one by one. No worry, right? So learn it slowly, slowly. Okay, be a patience. I think next 1 year. I think this course take a 1 year. Once you learn it this 1 year, so I will be explain more simpler way, so you can easily learn it. This course is enough, and I would say like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. Thank you, everyone. I will be share more strategy after that, but this is the first part of strategy.